Prior to today, the only place where big trouble. That's the rookie Suarez up and over Regan Smith, the big one at Daytona in the tri-oval.
Let's see if we can see what happens. Kyle Busch was pushing the rookie, giving him a shove here. Kyle Larson, excuse me. And it looks like he just gets him in a bad spot right there, and he just got behind in his steering.
Yeah, he got too far to the right, and coming off of the corner right there, that car unloads as you come off of that banking, and it just took just a little bit too much. And that's that window that you have to push. And if you get outside of the center of that back bumper, the way that the front and back bumpers are curved, it's going to spin that car out.
Lucky versus good. Here's Chase Elliott.
Watch this job.
It's going to be a wreck behind you. Give me a wreck. Get out of the way. Oh yeah, big wreck behind you. Big wreck behind you.
Watch this job that the Ream car, the 33 of Austin Dillon, does. When 18 flips over the 7, holy.
Tell you, Chris Buescher did a heck of a job sneaking through there too in that number 60 Cheez-It car.
Great job by Buescher all day long.
Those are some great pictures.
We have the best cameramen and women in all of sports. I mean, the images they capture.
27 laps to go at Daytona. Second caution of the day. It's not for a tire getting away. It's for a big crash on the front straightaway.
You know, we'll see. I'll talk to him and see what the deal was, and we'll go on to Atlanta and fight hard there. And you know, we had a fast car, and we're gonna have fast cars there, and got a little hole to dig out of now.
It was a solid race up till then. Of note, tomorrow you're going to be in the Daytona 500 racing in replacement of Kurt Busch. Did you take anything out of this race that maybe could help you for tomorrow? Because you only got one practice.
42 car, he starts pushing Daniel Suarez in that 18 car, and it's Kevin Harvick said, it's as they come out of turn 4 and the banking goes away, and he gets into Regan Smith in the 7 car, who actually does one barrel roll.
Regan Smith, some heavy damage to that 7 car. Of course, he won this race at Daytona 1 year ago. He's out of the race. 11 cars total.